Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get jobs on Upwork. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the first step is to create your Upwork profile. You'll need to include a profile photo, title, overview, employment history, and skill tags. Make sure to highlight your key strengths and experience. Don't worry about making it perfect right away, you can always update your profile later. Next, start applying to jobs that match your skills and experience. Be patient and persistent. It may take some time to land your first client. When you find a job posting you want to apply for, craft a compelling proposal that shows you understand the client's needs and can deliver great results. Regularly check Upwork for new job postings and submit proposals. Being active on the platform and submitting proposals increases your chances of getting hired. You can use your connects, which are Upwork's virtual tokens, to submit proposals. As you start working with clients, deliver high-quality work and provide excellent customer service. Ask clients for reviews after completing projects. Positive reviews will help you build a strong profile and get more jobs in the future. So that's basically how you can get jobs on Upwork. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.